With the property, the first thing that you notice is that when you get out of your vehicle, you hear the waterfall. It draws you to it. I'm Larry Bruno, owner of 1015 Leesburg Station Road here in Mercer, PA, by the waterfall. I purchased the property because of the waterfall. I sell romantic things. I sell engagement rings and fine jewelry. Waterfalls are romantic. It simply worked. I knew that there was a furnace here when I purchased the property. We've had an archaeological dig here for 10 years, uncovered some amazing artifacts. And I used many things from the archaeological dig. All the stonework that you see in and outside the building, all the stone came right from the property. The property here has 7 acres. It's been very special to me. We have a water wheel area. It means it's one of the early iron furnaces. We have the Iron Master's house. With the archaeological dig, the Iron Master's house, the waterfall, people that come here, they're amazed. And so I hope the next person that comes here can take that to the next step in whatever they want to do. And it's just beautiful. I mean, this property it's just like no other. And when you travel through it, you really see its uniqueness.